Hello everyone, thank you for joining. I hope everybody is safe and sound. Topic of today's discussion is how to access Python dictionary using dot notation. This video is for people who have a basic understanding about Python dictionaries. We will divide our discussion into two parts. First, we will talk about how to access Python dictionary in the normal or traditional way. Next, we will discuss about how to access Python dictionaries using the dot notation. Throughout our discussion, we will touch upon advantages in using the dot notation to access the Python dictionaries. Let's get started. Let me define a Python dictionary. A Python dictionary is a set of key value pairs with the requirement that the keys are unique within the particular dictionary. It is one of the most popular data structures in Python. It is widely used in processing the semi-structured and JSON files. Let's talk about accessing the Python dictionary in the normal or traditional way. You are seeing a sample dictionary on the screen. It represents one of the objects from the famous Irish database. The normal way to access the dictionary is by giving the dictionary name, which is Irish Dict in this case, followed by the field name which we want to access. Let's print this. In this case, we see a value of 5.1, which is the value associated with the field sepal length. Let's take another sample dictionary. It is more complicated than what we saw before. It has two array fields, each of which has two objects. Let's say that we want to access the first name Jim, which is the second element, array element associated with the sales object. The way we can do is by giving the dictionary name followed by the sales object. Because it's an array element and we want to access the second array element associated with the sales object, we need to give the array index, which is 1, followed by the field name. Let's print this. So we see a value of Jim. Now you are getting a sense of increasing complexity in writing the code as the complexity or hierarchical nature of dictionary increases. In the real world, most of the time we deal with complex data structures. This is especially true as semi-structured objects are becoming famous. Many companies are moving towards using document databases such as MongoDB, which stores the data in the JSON format. When we deal with the dictionary field which has a complex nested structure, we need to define all the fields which are part of the hierarchy within their own rectangular brackets. The coding in the traditional or normal way will become quite tedious as the complexity of underlying data structure increases. What if we have an alternate and easy way of accessing a Python dictionaries? The answer to this question is yes. We can access Python dictionaries using the dot notation. For this, we make use of a Python package called as Addict. Let's see how to do that. You are seeing a sample dictionary on the screen which we walked through before. In order to access the Python dictionary using the dot notation, first we need to import dict from the package Addict. From Addict, we are importing dict. The second step is to initialize the dictionary using the dict. So let's give a new name and initialize this with the dict function. Now we can access the element of the dictionary using the dot notation. So if you want to access the sepal length, we can now access using a dot notation. Let's print this. Now you see a value of 5.1 which is associated with the sepal length. Let's take the another example. This is again the same dictionary which we walked through before. As a first step, let's from Addict import dict. The second step is to initialize the dictionary using the dict function. So we'll give a new name. So now we can access the dictionary elements using the dot notation. So if we want to access the first name Jim, so in this case, the way we can do is by giving the sales object and then the array element followed by the name of the field. Let's print this. Now you see the value of Jim. In addition to accessing the field of existing Python dictionaries, we can also create a new dictionary and add new fields to the existing dictionaries using the dot notation. Let's take an example of this. Um, so here I have imported the dict from the package Addict. So let's create a new dictionary called person. So let's say we want to add three fields to this dictionary, the name, age, and the gender. So let's see how to do that. So I'm adding the name, age, and gender. Say let's print this dictionary. I'm clearing my screen. Now you see that the dictionary is created. In this case, we created a new dictionary using the dot notation. Say let's say we want to create one more dictionary using the which has a nested fields. Say let's name it as a complex dict. Say I want to add a field which is nested. So in this case, you see that this field temp is being added at the deep nested structure. We have a file level of hierarchy. So let's print this dictionary. You see that we are creating this complex dictionary using this dot notation. This approach makes coding with Python dictionary relatively easier. In addition to this, it improves code maintenance. Finally, this is the GitHub page link for the Addict package. I would recommend you to go through this URL and then get more details about the package. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Please do comment in case you want to see any improvements. Hope to see you soon. Take care.